Hello, welcome to Maths with Jay. In this example, we know that a pebble is dropped, so we know what its starting velocity is. It must be 0. And we know the distance that it falls, 90 meters. And we want to know how long it takes to do that. So we know that the pebble is falling under gravity, so we've got constant acceleration, so we can use our equations of motion. So let's have a look at the variables that we know that are involved. We need to decide which direction we're taking as positive. We need to be consistent with this. So as the pebble is dropping, let's take downwards as positive and then write down what we know. So the displacement is 90 meters. Our initial velocity we know is 0 as the pebble's being dropped. We don't know anything about the velocity when it hits the sea, and we know to take acceleration due to gravity is 9.8 meters per second squared, and we want to know how long the pebble takes to reach the sea. So we're trying to find t. So the variable that's not involved here is v, so we can ignore that one. So let's have a look at our equations of motion. So we want the one that doesn't involve v. So it's the equation that involves s, u, a and t. So we can see that's the third one here. So we're using s equals ut plus half at squared. So substituting in the values, we've got 90 is 0 times t, so that's 0 plus half a, so we might as well halve the acceleration here, so we've got 4.9 and then t squared. So t squared is going to be 90 divided by 4.9. So t is the square root of 90 over 4.9. So giving the answer to one decimal place, we get 4.3 seconds. So the pebble takes 4.3 seconds to reach the sea.